big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Now, without further ado, I would like to call Chopie to introduce our contestants on the final night of the Vodafone
Rakiraki Carnival 2015. First of all, I would like to acknowledge our major sponsor, Vodafone Fiji Limited, and our corporate sponsors, Rakiraki Town Council, Procedural Music, Miss Volavola Beach Resort, Vasiti Level 2, Miss 480 Holdings Limited, Eta Teresa Nagoso, last but not least, Miss Rakiraki Town Council, Kaini Wangawai.
It gives me great pleasure to be here tonight and to be part of the final night of the 2015 Vodafone Rakiraki Carnival. I thank the people of Rakiraki for the warm welcome and trust that you have had an enjoyable week. At the outset, please allow me to pay my sincere sympathies to the family and friends affected by the recent tragic incident in your community. I join with you, the Rakiraki community, in prayers for comfort as family and friends go through these difficult times. As a first for the Rakiraki Town Council, hosting a carnival of this magnitude, I congratulate the CEO, staff, and his team for taking on such a huge task. I understand it has not been easy, but you have done yourself proud with the crowning tonight. With the theme, bringing communities together, I am confident that you have achieved your goal in bringing people of Rakiraki together. Indeed, the carnival has not only been about entertainment, but has also provided an opportunity for the people of Rakiraki to come together and to display the true feeling of unity within the community of Ra. Ladies and gentlemen, I am informed that this year's carnival featured various local artists and performers, marking a significant achievement in this area of public-private partnership. I am very pleased to know that the funds raised from this carnival will be utilized for the beautification works of the Rakiraki town. To the contestants, my congratulations to you all, and let me commend your hard-working and generous sponsors. I also thank your families and friends for the support rendered to you throughout your journey as contestants. To that special young women who will be crowned Miss Rakiraki tonight, I wish you very best as you're going to represent Rakiraki at the national meet for the Fiji Pageant 2015 to be held in Nandi next month. And I'm confident that you will do your hometown proud. Ladies and gentlemen, let me give some background on this Fiji pageant. Before, whoever was crowned Miss Hibiscus would represent Fiji and become Miss Fiji. Early this year, I invited all the municipalities and requested them to hold carnivals in their respective towns and cities. During discussion, we also invited the chairman of the Hibiscus Committee, who is also here tonight. And we had a resolution after the meeting that this year, Miss Fiji will be selected after we're going to have Battle of Queens from all the districts. So in other words, all the winners from all districts will participate in the Battle of the Queens in Nandi next month, which gives a fair chance even for your queen to represent in that battle. And this is for the first time we are organizing this. And I would like to thank Rakiraki for the support. In closing, I wish the organizers every success, the contestants the very best, and the people of Rakiraki a wonderful future as you continue to unite for the betterment of your hometown and your province. Thank you and Vinaka.
Their last photo shoot.
What used to be